hakabai dei ba jingmi ka sunjuk kin nong de jingde harut surok ba linti aikchat balatip kum ga Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association haka arpo artrek naiweng achap saw daga batur sha office ka Shillong Municipal Board bandawa pensange igrai pengkarya iki nagi ceka ba judi jingde pro shikata daga ba aipor hadu ka arp saw trek naiweng achap saw ba pol Lyngdoh menteri beri khmi kitran tourism ka sorga jala ulang bagiladan Shibon ki Jingmut ki bela penlong katkum ke Jingmut menteri beri khmi kitnat urban affairs ulang beladap thawi committee hang usdam beladap ka bakuntop iki Nongïalam naga association bakalong ka Lyngngoh bakiong Khlem Shim Jingmut lang naki haka babaro ki Jingtho chung Jingmut ki don lut dak ba punpa bakal Shimpor palat shisnam ban pendap iki kambaro ulang bakalong ka Khlem nongrem bakin ong ba amshim la Shim Jingmut lang nagi Nongïalam katai ka association.
A number of meetings have been held at the instance of the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, and a committee was also constituted last year, which also comprises of representatives from the vendors associations. Now it's surprising to say that they were not consulted, because those meetings were all recorded, and they took more than a year, in fact, to complete the entire exercise. So it is baseless to say that they were not consulted. However, I would suggest that you also speak to the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, because the matter is entirely with Urban Affairs, and the tourism department only wanted to give an uplift, a facelift rather, to the Nongïalam stretch by making it pedestrian free, tourist friendly, and have a busking zone in order for us to celebrate the fact that Shillong has seen the best possible days in terms of the music scene, and for the rest of the world to see that. See, the process of identification was done by the Shillong Municipal Board. It was a very transparent process, and the CEO and other officials like Kyrwoh were all involved in those negotiations and discussions. But as I said, you can get the details from Urban Affairs Department, from the Minister in charge, as well as the CEO of the SMB.
But Shillong Municipal Board yesterday denied about, they have no idea about this.
I do not know who you spoke to, but at the official meetings, both the CEO and Khlem were present in those meetings. The latest was 2 weeks back at the chamber of the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs. I am not aware of any extension, because the deadline was indicated to us at the meeting by the Commissioner and Secretary Urban Affairs, Dr. Vijay Kumar. So I think we have to meet, let Deputy CM convene, and we take stock of the situation after tomorrow. Probably sometime next week we should be in a position to sit for a review of how things have shaped up since the last meeting.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jingim bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.